Hi everyone, in today's video I want to show you an AI tool which has just been upgraded, which is Invideo. And you might know different other AI video tool like VO3, Dance from Bytedance, um, Hagen, and Invideo. Uh, what has been released recently is the version 4 of its AI tool creator. What I really was finding interesting and shocking at the same time is the possibility to add AI twins, which anyway is possible in different other tools, comprehending Synthesia. But I want to show you exactly the result of it it's live to see and to understand your opinion on it. I was shocked because it is actually very accurate and it is telling me how the AI world is going and the AI content creation general is going. You can click here and add an avatar. What I did is to add from a YouTube video where which shows me fully and to use this to then make other videos. As you can see here, I recorded the video and I will go to continue. And I generated already a topic, so I don't have, you can skip that. You can add a topic, whatever topic you wish. As you can see here, we have the version 4, and you can click generate video. It will take some time, probably will take 15 minutes, 10, 15 minutes to generate. And here we got the video. I want just to share it with you. Please let me know in the comment what do you think. By the way, I will play this video, but consider to like, comment the video to support it, and subscribe the channel if you like this video. And let me know what do you think about this AI video tool, and would you be okay with me to use it for next videos? Uh, it's actually accurate, and you can see that it's very engaging, and it felt like it was actually very good, the content that it made, and it researched the web doing it, so it's actually fact checked. So see you at the same time. This video is about the ATS machine scanning tool and the way to make sure to be ATS proof for your job applications. So just see for yourself right now. I'm playing the video.
You spent
It's slow.
hours perfecting your resume, sent out dozens of applications, and heard nothing back. The real gatekeeper isn't a person, but software applicant tracking systems, or ATS. Over 98% of big companies use them to scan and filter resumes before a human ever looks. If you're getting ghosted, it's likely an algorithm,
Loading.
not your skills. Stick around. Here are 5 tactics to get your resume past the bots and into human hands. To beat the ATS, you need to speak its language, keywords, copy the job description, especially the responsibilities and qualifications, paste it into an AI tool like ChatGPT, and ask for the top 20 keywords. These are the exact skills and terms the ATS is searching for. Mirror this language in your resume headline, bullet points, and skills section. Don't say managed money if the job says budget forecasting. Use their words. This isn't trickery, it's translation. Make your experience recognizable to the system.
Okay, that's it. I mean, what do you think about this tool? This video will be short for a reason. I want just you to reflect and let me know what is going on with the AI content creation, and what is their possibilities that now a content creator have to actually make content just with AI and prompts. What do you think? I find it actually very useful for content where you have to discuss about the topic. Maybe a bit more challenging if you have to show a tutorial, but that can be easily something that you can overcome editing the video and adding areas where you have to code or have to perform an action or using other tools to integrate it. Basically, things are becoming easier. What do you think about it again? Let me know. And again, consider to like, comment, and subscribe because this will help the channel, will help the video to be noticed, and the more people to view content like this. Otherwise, obviously, it's difficult. People will notice, and the channel will not grow. So, thank you very much, and see you in the next video.